Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1965 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 327. Strong running car, bucket seat, center console, power brakes, power steering, power top. Just a nice car. Nice driver. Not a 100-point show car, but a very nice car that shows well. Strong running car. Original bumper. So there are a few little on it. Wanted to replace it, I guess you could. It still shows well, but there are a few little imperfections on the front bumper. Newer wheels and tires. Top is in fantastic shape. All around the windows. Wing windows in good shape. You'll find all these pictures 75 to 100 at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. If you want to fly in person, check it out. We're more than happy to pick you up at the airport. Just forward us your flight itinerary, let you know when you're coming in. We're more than happy to pick you up, take you to one of our 3 warehouses full of classics. Take it out for a ride, put up on the lift, make sure it's a good fit. We do have great financing available, great options, rates, terms. 10% down is usually the number that works, so you do not need all the money to drive. We have payments posted on the website that are very obtainable, usually with 10% down. So, nice car. Very nice driver. A little cracking on the window, but glass as well. It does have a matching spare tire. Dual antennas, you gotta love it. And it does have power disc brakes. Those bad boys are drilled and slotted. So, 327. Super Sport. It's a courtesy service. We can arrange transportation anywhere in the world. It's a 65 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport, rural SS, bucket seat, center console, power brakes, power steering, power top. And all this is in good shape. The top, stitching on the sides. The top is, it's almost like new. Love the taillights on this. And you can go to our website, www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. There's a manifold vacuum, that thing still works. Radio, the clock and factory tack as of now are not working. Cannot guarantee on those. We will look into that, but all the other gauges, lights, wipers, blower, etc., everything else is working. Factory clock, factory tack, or is not as of now. Take this thing for a ride. Nice. This is original bumper as well. It's got a little patina on it. Still shows really well. Taillights as well. Now we just got the car in on trade. Haven't had a chance to. All we did was vacuum it, wipe it down. So we're going to run it through the shop, put a pad to it, clean it up, make the paint a little shinier than it already is, and it's already got a good shine. Fun car. Again, you can find 75 to 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Let me see this real quick here. So like I said, there's the amp gauge is working, fuel gauge is working, Oil pressure, you can see great oil pressure on this bad boy. And temperature gauge, factory one's not working. That's why we got the aftermarket one down there. Do have receipts. The motor has been rebuilt, and we do have receipts for the motor being rebuilt. Yeah, love this car. Who doesn't like a Impala convertible? Strong running 327. Pick up the phone. My name's Mark Ravenort. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. About 30 minutes from the international airport, which is Lambert, St. Louis International, one and the same. Easy to fly into. Can get a direct flight from most cities. If you can't make it and want to send a third-party inspector, we welcome them. We'll accommodate them, putting it on a lift, taking it out for a drive. You have any questions or requests, pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. I'll be happy to try to accommodate any questions you have or request. Red 1965 Impala Super Sport. We'll have the price on the website, so if you're watching the video and you want to know, we want you to go to the website. So that's where the price would be, and you'll get to see all the other cars that we have for sale as well. So you might find something else that piques your interest. If you haven't already done it, please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel if you like seeing American muscle cars. We get quite a few of them. We have for the last 25 years. I hope our channel grow. All the interior signals work, blinkers.
We are still paying.
Radio works. Solid car. Price to sell. www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri, 314-346-6039. Thanks for watching.